2 plus 3, and inside the parentheses 2 times 3. 2 plus 3 equals 5, and 2 times 3. Now 5 and 2 times 3 equals 6. Now here is multiply, so 5 times 6 equals 30. But this is not correct. Why? Because first of all inside the parentheses, right? Then multiply. Here is multiply, right? And then addition. So follow the order of operations. Parentheses first, then multiply, then addition. So solve again. So 2 plus 3, right? And first of all inside the parentheses 2 times 3 equals 6. Now here is multiply, so multiply first, right? 2 plus 3 times 6 equals 18. Now 2 plus 18 equals 20.